तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्ण भक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। भज श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंदो श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। First of all, I offer my prostrated obeisance to the lotus feet of my beloved spiritual master, His Divine Grace, Srila Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Thakur, my grand spiritual master, His Divine Grace, Srila Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur, and offer the same to all the appointed Acharya of Sri Brahma Rudra Shanak, a four Sampradayas, and pure devotee as well. So today we are going to read the rest what our Bhaktivinoda Thakur written here in Bengali language. I forget how much I know. Anyway, I forget. Anyway, there's one para. Only the Chaya Namabhas can be subdivided into the four categories of Namabhas previously described. The scripture praise Namabhas in general, but condemn the Pratibimba Namabhas. The real difference between the two kinds of Namabhas is that the shadow of the holy name in the result of ignorance, while the reflection of the name is the result of deliberate error. The latter is a grave offense that blocks one of the developing devotion. Even in this regard, if we just look how Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur explain, just to make us understand, and that even the first category, even higher category Vaishnava Pradhan, Guru, when they become Guru, they are coming down to middle category, means Madhyam Vaishnava. Judging is there. At that time, if they are thinking that I am the great, Vaishnava category always, Vaishnava ornament, Vaishnava practice ornament is to become humble. Instead of become humble, when we become puffed up, means showing people that I am a great devotee. Naturally, we have tendency to minimize others. Therefore, Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, compose like that. প্রথমে ছিলেন তিনি সদ্গুরু প্রধান, ক্রমে নাম অপরাধে হয় হত জ্ঞান। Even the Guru great guru. But when he giving initiation, he always coming down the middle category, means Madhyam Vaishnava. At that time, in order to make some discrimination, if somehow or other blaspheme or minimizing to other Vaishnava, then he commit Namaparad. That cause of Namaparad inspire him or increase. What he increase? Gradually become greedy to get money and fulfilling his sense enjoyment desire. Gradually become greedy for money. Krome hoy ortho kaminir bosh. Money means kamini, ortho means money, and kamini means woman. Here should be like this: sense enjoyment, desire. So these two things is really contradiction to practice spirituality. Then degrading our Vaishnava's quality gradually degrading. Why? Because the offense. As soon as we have tendency to blaspheme to others or minimizing others in order to make me develop, make me uplift, put me in uplift position. So such things. So here, this Namavas, Pratibimba Namavas, real name is reflection. The real difference between the two kind of Namavas is that the shadow of the holy name is the result of ignorance, while the reflection of the Nam is the result of deliberate error. The latter is a grave offense that blocks one from developing devotion. The person who is a semblance of Vaishnava means, or Vaishnava Bhash, semblance of Vaishnava, looks like Vaishnava, but still we are not able to consider like Vaishnava. But he has faith on Vaishnava, but he doesn't know what is actual Vaishnava practice. He is not honored as a genuine Vaishnava. Genuine means pure devotee, who fully surrendered. Nowadays you can see people who are in the society, especially big society, always looking to greet such person who is giving donation. But we are not calculating the person who is really chanting, who dedicate their life fully for the service of Lord, remember Lord. If they come with a dirty outfit, we don't care for them. Like nowadays you can see, even sometime I heard that people are talking about, we are fresh. You can see shaving beard, mustard, shaving head, we are fresh. But the Gaudiya Math, they are not fresh. They are dirty. Their temple service also dirty. They have no opulence. such type of discrimination taking place. Why? To promote our society, to promote my faith. Sometimes we are doing so. So when we are not able to give proper respect to senior Vaishnava, genuine Vaishnava, so then we become contaminated. And gradually we will attach with Mayavadi. Anyways, I am just telling you one just material incident. There is a person, very socially developed, socially very famous, that person, named Vidyasagar. So he was the Vice Chancellor of Calcutta University. One very, very economically solvent person. He arranged, he has that person's son's wedding ceremony. He invited that Vidyasagar. Vidyasagar, very simple, wearing dhoti and kurta. Just simple. One dhoti, one kurta he is wearing and going to the university maybe 1 week. Calcutta, so much pollution, So cloth become dirty. As that wedding ceremony, he went there. The guard stopped him. Because guard knew that whoever invited to attend the wedding ceremony, everybody is solvent, they are wearing luxury outfit. So God stopped him. And then Vidyasagar never complained, he just went back to his home. Then he wore very luxury dress. And then as soon as he reached, God allowed to enter, and then the person whose son, he just greet him very respectably. He greet him and bring him inside, then taking care properly. Then when he brought him to honor the food, because Indian invitation means you have to honor their food, luxury, very delicious food. So what happened, Vidyasagar was sitting there and keeping all the foods inside the pocket of his shirt, kurta. 2 pockets, this pocket. Everybody completely surprised. Why Vidyasagar is doing such things? He's supposed to eat. Then one person come to him and ask, Sir, why you are doing so? Then Sir Vidyasagar answer like this, because all the food, all the greed, all the respect, because of my outfit. So that food is not qualified to take in the body, for a body, to in my mouth. Because I came before with another outfit, normal outfit I came. Your God stopped me. But as soon as I came with this outfit, He allowed me to enter, and then all of you greet me. So what actually this food for who? For me? I myself came. Your God refused me to enter. Now I feel everything for this outfit. So I am feeding my outfit. Kurta. So very logical, So nowadays we are looking always outfit. We have to look the heart of people. What is most important part? No matter person is giving financial support, but most important support which practicing with purity. This is the most important part. Therefore, my spiritual master taught us, whoever come, without discrimination, try to respect them. Try to keep due respect for them. If anyone leaving my temple with dissatisfaction, it is better for me to die before he leave my temple. This is given by, this dialogue given by my spiritual master. So, therefore, the most important part, the Vaishnavas. Vaishnavas means semblance of Vaishnava. That means outwardly looks like no Vaishnava. But like this, like I can give an example, that Bangshidhar Babaji Maharaj. Bangshidhar Babaji Maharaj, outwardly look, he is sometimes smoking hookah, means smoking hookah. An outfit very dirty, big beard, mustard. So, if we look that how he became Vaishnava. Like Pundarik Vidyanidhi, Gadadhar Pandit was confused to see Pundarik Vidyanidhi. This Vaishnava means should be renounced, but too much luxury he has. Luxury bed, luxury outfit, luxury lifestyle. Therefore, there is a code, Vaishnav Chinitanare Devera Sakati, means even the god and goddesses, they are unable to recognize Vaishnava, who is Vaishnava. But if you look the Bangshidhar Babaji Maharaj, whenever he was in Bengal, whenever he see any banyan tree, he felt on the banyan tree, Krishna sitting there and playing flute. Means in his vision, it became Bangshi Bhat in Vrindavan. Such an elevated Vaishnava. But outwardly, it's not possible to recognize. I heard my Gurudev that in 1942, because Bangshidhar Babaji Maharaj allowed to touch his feet only this day of Gaur Purnima day. 1942, my Gurudev went to meet with him just to touch his feet. So it is like that. So therefore we have to be very, very careful. We should not just pass our remarks. Better to become silent. If you don't like, become silent, stay away. To whom you like, get their association only. Like-minded. So this is the way to save ourselves from the Vaishnava offense. Anyway, but as the person who is semblance of Vaishnava or Vaishnavas is not honored as a genuine Vaishnava. But as long as he has not been contaminated by the Mayavadi philosophy, he should be given the respect due to the lower category. When a person have faith on Vaishnava but not steady faith, he has also respect everyone. Like you can see, people have respect everyone. Like nowadays you can see, most of the politicians, they respect Muslim faith, respect Mayavadi faith, respect all types of faith. So in this case, we should. In this case, if he has respect, he has no connection with Mayavadi philosophy. In this case, we have to respect that person as a lower category Vaishnava, means Kanishta Vaishnava. The reason for this is that he can easily progress to a higher stage of bhakti. If person not connected with Mayavadi means what? Mayavadi means who is running behind the wrong path. Means he is thinking, this is the path I can get. I can reach my destiny. Like I can give an example. Like if you are worshipping Kali, goddess Kali, if you think I am worshipping Krishna, is it possible? Clearly, Bhagavad Gita said, Janti devabrota devan pitrijanti pitibruta bhutani janti bhuteja majjajinopi mang. Who worship me, he will reach me. Who worship Deva, Devi, means God and goddesses, they will go to the Devalok. Who is worshipping ancestor, they will go to Bhudlok, means Bhubolok. Who is worshipping? Whatever we are worshipping, accordingly we will get the position, we will reach the destination. So, Mayavadi, they have no fixed. Sometimes they are say, God is formless. Sometimes they say God has form. You can see, in the temple they are keeping deity on the altar, but they are not serving properly. The deity have fixed outfit, means marble stone deities, the marble outfit there, they never, just like keeping there and make people fool. Because I stay in one temple in Mayavadi, because I was like forced to stay there one night. What to do? Although I was hungry, I say, I am full. Why? Because Prabhupada Bhaktisiddhanta once he said, rather to take poison and die instead of associating with Mayavadi. Understand? Rather, better for us to die instead of associating Mayavadi. Even early morning, which room I stay, I was chanting, I'm chanting morning, long time. So several people just knocking my door. It was in Rishikesh, and then asked me, chai means tea? I know. Why not? Everybody drinking, and they are good. they are drinking, but I am not. That way. Then gradually, when 10 o'clock, I just left the temple. Then I come out, then I came, I'm searching was devotee's house. Then I reached the devotee's house and they cook for me, aloo ka parota, potato parota. Parota means one type of, wheat flour. They make dough, and they put in the potato with spices. They make and fry with ghee. That I ate. I remember. So anyway, so therefore, we are always trying to avoid Mayavadi. So he says, Bhaktivinoda says, as long as he has not been contaminated by Mayavadi philosophy, he should be given the respect due the lower category Kanishta Vaishnava. Or mundane devotees. The reason for this is that he can easily progress. Because who is not contaminated by Mayavadi, he can easily progress, means spiritual progression. Therefore, we have to respect. To a higher stage of bhakti through contact with devotee saint. Means Shuddha Bhakta, when he associate, then he could be higher by association. His devotional progress will grow, and he will become a higher Vaishnava, a high class Vaishnava, Uttam Vaishnava. There is chance. Pure Vaishnava, therefore, considers such neophyte to be unspoiled. Neophyte to be unspoiled and include them amongst their friends on whom they shower the blessings. So pure devotee, Uttam Vaishnava, high category Vaishnava, they are not discriminating. They are always looking, but they mean that. They are looking in the heart. There is a Paramatma. In that way they are respecting, they are bestowing the blessings. They must not ignore them as they do the atheist, Mayavadis. The advanced devotee expand the neophyte limited understanding of devotion beyond some simple rituals. And nowadays you can see so many people like that are the result of a purely conventional faith. Laukiki Shraddha. Means in society, whatever we are supposed to keep the behavior to manage our society's principles, then we can do that. And given him the fundamental spiritual understanding that leads to serve of the Lord and His pure devotees. Lord and His pure devotees. This is most important. Only Lord? No. If on the other hand, someone should show an unbreakable faith in the Mayavadi doctrines, he should be avoided. I already explained that Prabhupada what he gave us instruction. Better for us to die, take poison and die, instead of get association of Mayavadi people. The pure devotee will resuscitate or the small spark of devotion in the neophyte, encourage their propensity to worship the deities and progressively give them Sambandha Jnana and establish them in devotional service of the Supreme Lord and His devotees. So Uttam Vaishnava can do that. But if a neophyte exhibits a strong inclination or incorrigible Mayavadi attitude, then he must be avoided. Bhaktivinoda Thakur always telling the same thing. If the Mayavadi smell is there and strong faith is there, better for us to avoid them. প্রতিবিম্ব নামাবাস অন্য জীবে শুদ্ধা করিয়া দর্শন নিজ মনে শ্রদ্ধাবাস আনে যেই জন ভোগমোক্ষ বাঞ্ছা তাহে থাকে নিত্য মিশি আশ্রমে অবিষ্ট লাভে যতে দিবানিশি। Very nice. অন্য জীবে শুদ্ধ শ্রদ্ধা করিয়া দর্শন means after seeing the presence of pure faith in another jiva, one may experience a semblance of faith coming into his own heart. অন্য জীবে শুদ্ধ শ্রদ্ধা করে দর্শন নিজে মানে শ্রদ্ধাভাস আনে যেইজন ভোগমোক্ষ বাঞ্ছা তাহে থাকে নিত্য মিশি আশ্রমে অবিষ্ট লভে যতে দিবানিশি। But desire of enjoyment and liberation remain mixed in with this semblance of faith. So you have to be very careful also. After seeing the presence of pure faith in another jiva, one may experience a semblance of faith coming. May experience, look, into his own heart, but desire for enjoyment and liberation remain mixed in with this semblance of faith. So, what are you supposed to do in this case? শ্রদ্ধার লক্ষণ মাত্র শ্রদ্ধা তাহা নয়, তাহাকে প্রতিবিম্ব শ্রদ্ধা বা শাস্ত্রে কয়। Look, he shows external signs of faith, but does not have real faith. As such, it is only a semblance of true faith, its reflection. Reflection. Like I gave example yesterday that moon and moon reflect in the Ganga water. And Ganga's waves make us feel that moon is dancing inside Ganga out of bliss. But moon not dancing, you can see up. Up, moon is there. But it's waves of Ganga, bridge is going on, bridge. Because of the bridge, it is Ganga water, little bit, waves, creating little waves. Pratibimbo, Shuddhavase namabhas jato, Pratibimbo namabhas hoya virato. So, the semblance of the holy name chanted with such reflected faith has been given the name Pratibimbo Namabhas. Semblance of the holy name chanted with such reflected faith. Has been given the name Pratibimbo Namabhas. Very nicely explained here. Pratibimbo Namabhas se Mayavad kapatata utpanna kare. Pratibimbo Namabhas create hypocrisy. Pratibimbo Namabhas create result is Mayavad, hypocrisy of Mayavada. Yeah, you can say. Ei namabhase Mayavad dushtamad Prabhasiya satataya hoye parinato. Ei namabhase Mayavade dushtamata Prabhasiya Satataya hoye parinato. Very nice. We have to be very careful about it. Nowadays you can see, recently I saw few people, they become devotee. But they are Muslim. Why? They want to marry a Hindu girl. What is the result to marry Hindu girl? Because that is their goal, to convert Hindu, become Muslim. Even they become priest. In Delhi, one temple is Arya Samaj. Is a temple, Arya Samaj temple. They become priest. The police caught him. He actually is Muslim from Pakistan. So they are showing all the learn, they learn all this ritual, and they become priests. They want the target to contaminate the faith of Sanatana Dharma. Therefore, you have to be very careful about it. We have to always keep, we should keep everyone in proper place. Like shoes, you have to keep always on the feet, not like a head. We have to always look what is the purpose of the person who came here. Looks like very dedicated, but what is actual his purpose? If the purpose is different, better for us to keep him far. Our main purpose what? Our main purpose to fixing our mind towards Lord and His services. Whenever we are looking that person person is not focused to serve Lord and his devotees, then it is better for us keep them away from us. Better for us keep them away. Otherwise, contamination will come to us and destroy our entire goal. Not able to attain our ultimate goal of spiritual practice. First of all, we can show hypocrisy. You have to know hypocritical. That if one chanting this sort of Namavas is further corrupted by Mayavadi, then it turned into a purely hypocritical type of activities. Mayavad, like what Mayavad? What is not true, thinking it is true. That is Mayavad. What is not truth? Like body is not truth. Body is like container. But we are thinking our identity is body. Aham Brahmasmi, I am Brahmo, I am Bhagavan. Prajnanang Brahmo, knowledge is Bhagavan. How is it possible? Bhagavan is not that much inferior. Bhagavan means who has unlimited opulence. All opulences are limited. Therefore, we have to be very, very careful. So we have to always avoid hypocrisy. Hypocritical person. Hypocritical person, if we are keeping with us, then our progress also be in trouble. Therefore, Srimad Bhagavatam, first canto, first chapter, second sloka, is a dharma prahajjita kaitava. Dharma kicked out hypocrisy. Hypocrisy. Kaitava means hypocrisy. So, tomorrow we can come again with these topics, how we will keep ourselves Namabhas, keep away ourselves from Mayavada. Most important part, to keep ourselves from Mayavadi. So, thank you very much. Hari Bol, Hare Krishna.